What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm trying to put out some more content. I got like some ideas that I'm gonna post. Reactions. If y'all got me some videos you want to send me or tell me in the comments down below, you can tell me the video to react to and I will do it. Okay, hold on, I gotta put some lip gloss on. So today I'm just throwing on a wig. So this is the wig right here. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. It is called Empress Lace Wig. Sensational Empress Lace Wig. But I'm about to throw it on. Oh, where's my wig cap? Alright, whatever. We was about to throw this fucking shit on. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff that I want to do. And, you know, I got my gaming channel. But if you want to watch me stream at twitch.tv/AriSoTiny, that is my Twitch. I'm just trying to put this clip thing on. So I can put this wig on. So I'm about to throw this wig on. It's like a little curls. It's some little curls. You see it? I'm about to throw it on though. Let me do that shit now. Okay, I need my mirror. Hold on. So I can see myself. It's cute. Okay.
I'm about to get ready.
Whatever that was. It's cute.
I'm about to get ready.
Okay, this is a synthetic wig. Let me put some makeup on it. I just wanted to make sure I could fit it. Okay. I'm about to put some makeup on it. Just so, like, you know, it can blend. But let me put some on this brush first before I do it. Because I don't want to put too much on. And then it just start looking bad. Put it on like this. I don't know if y'all can see it. And you see the wig like this. So you just put it on like that. Put it like right here too, cause it's the part where it's like you're gonna see it too the most. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see this or not. I hope so. Yo, I gotta get me a new camera. I'm so tired of this one. Honestly, I would go on my phone right now. I would, but I don't got storage. So if I had my wig, I just realized I have a wig head. Now I can show y'all for real. So yeah, I'm just like putting the makeup on like just right here and like where you can see like the makeup. Y'all, I'm not a professional, so please do not judge me for how I put on my dang old wigs, okay? This is how I do it and this is how I taught myself how to. Now I'm about to put it on. I need a brush though. Where is my comb? Where's my brush? I just don't know. Where is this stuff at? I found this. It's fine. I just wanted to comb this down. It's a little lumpy. I don't think I could put heat on this, so I don't even want to try either. So this is going to do. This is cute though. I like it. I don't know what inch this is. Don't mind what I got on, but this is just what, you know. This is, I don't know what inch this is, but it's some inch. Now I need to fix my what do you call it? I need to fix something. I just need to put the glue on or whatever you call it, but I'm not putting that on since it's a synthetic wig. I am going to use this one spray glue when I get it. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just realized that this is the camera was like zoomed out or zoomed in on my face. I don't know, but I'm back with this and I'm about to put this on, but I gotta get the scissors and stuff, so I'm about to cut it real quick. Once again, this is not a tutorial. I am not a professional hairstylist. I just do this because it's easy for me. Oh, this is gonna irritate me. I don't like this going up. It's like it's not gonna stay down. Like, stay down. I don't want you lifting up. It look lumpy right here. Let me fix it real quick. Okay, now I'm about to use this. It's called Wonder Lace Bond, and let me tell you this. This right here, bomb, bro. Like, it will freaking lay your hair down for the whole day. And that's what I do with these synthetic wigs. I just keep them on for a day, and then I just, you know, take it off. Then, you know, you can just put it back on or whatever you want to do. But right now, I'm just about to spray this just around my head, oh shit, just around my what's it called? I'm just spraying it on. And I don't have a blow dryer. I don't feel like going back upstairs. I have a blow dryer. I just don't feel like going back upstairs. So we just gonna let this bitch air dry. Let's let this air dry because I'm not about to go. I just ran upstairs to get this, and now I gotta run upstairs to get a blow dryer. No, we're gonna let it air dry. It's fine. I just bit my lip again. Let me spit this gum out, bro. I can't.
I need water, Sandy.
lashes, it's hard, kind of dry, you know, kind of tacky. I'm just trying to make sure it is because I'm not about to put this wig on if it's not, and it is. Okay, so, and I do this just in case it is, like to see if it's like wet or not, but it is. I mean, but it isn't. What the fuck? I can't speak. Okay, cut it. Okay, so then I just, you know, put this down right here. Put this little bad boy down. Put all these bad boys down. And then, let me put my hair up. Now, I just, you know, spray this on. Let me get closer. I just spray this on. But I be careful because I don't want it to, like, I don't want it to mess up the what's it called. Because, man, when I tell you this shit will fuck you up. And I just spray it one by, like, one part. Comb it back. Okay. I let it air dry again. And I do this like 2-3 times. Just to make sure it's like stick and on. And ready to go. Let me put on some music myself. My phone dead. Oh, but that's my other phone. I'm just on FaceTime with my this phone. Over here playing the game without me. It's whatever. Yeah, I'm talking about you, Jalen. You watching this? Good. That's what I thought. I do it again, and then I do it one more time, and then yeah, once I'm done with this one, I think like y'all get the gist. So you gonna go back and see me done with this side. Okay? See. Okay, so you see this, like, and now I gotta get the other side and probably cut this. Yeah, I'm cutting this tab off right here. Cut this ear tab off right here, and then cut this other one off right here. So, yeah, let me do that. But what I do is I just, you know, grab whatever part it is, and then I just cut it. So, like right here, where my ear is at, I just cut it so I can get out my earway, because, you know, I need that to put my glasses on and stuff, because I don't really feel like, I don't think I feel like putting on contacts. I don't know. I'll put on some. Yeah, now y'all can hear the music that they was playing. I wish they would stop. Hopefully I can, you know, block out the background. But yeah, okay, I cut one part. Let me cut the other one. Another ear tab is gone. Alright, now my glasses are getting on my face easier, and you see it. Okay, now I gotta do the sides. Okay, but yeah, you can see the sides now, and yeah, I'm about to do that part now. Hey boo. What are you doing? You said what? What'd you say?
Look what I got YouTube. Look what I got YouTube.
Look what he got YouTube. Shoot, you ain't grind for that. Shaking my head. I'm grinding for my stuff. I just bought the battle pass. I was not about to spend no money to get to Rick, bro. I'm good on that, bro. I spent that $8. I've been grinding, and actually I've been getting a little better. Quit playing with me. I think this is just gonna be a little speed because try this thing on music. It's gonna irritate me because I'm recording. Okay, so I'm back and I got everything done. Now I'm just about to cut it. And you gotta be careful because you know you don't want to like ruin it. So I got this part off. I'm about to get the rest of this. This is how I do it. And then I put the thing on. If I had my little razor thing, it would have been so much easier for me to freaking cut it. But I don't. Okay. And I just fix it. I just fix the leftover and sticking up and stuff. And you shouldn't like cut around your edges just like straight, because you know, like, you know, your edges is not, what's it called? I don't know. But I don't know if y'all understand what I'm saying, but like, yeah. Oh yeah. I just got this and I'm just about to put this on here and fix whatever I have to fix. Make sure that it's down good. And then voila, okay? And now all I gotta do is put on a thingy, a headband thingy, or a scarf thingy, whatever you want to call the thingy. And I will get back to y'all in, I want to say 10 minutes. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I think this is done. It's good enough. Let's take it off and see. Okay, yeah, it's done. It's good, and I'm just about to make some edges. Okay guys, that's it for my video. I had to get on my phone this time. But if you like the video, subscribe and thumbs up and comment down below what I should do next in my next video. This is my outfits. You feel me? Hold on, you can't see it all. But you feel me? This is my outfit today. I got, it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. I like it. I like this. This is other than tangling, yeah, 9 out of 10. But yeah, it's cute, and I'll see y'all in the next video.